The recording? Okay. Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to make your cigarette lighter on a 2001 BMW E38 740i to work with only the ignition switch. So when you turn the ignition, the cigarette lighter is working. When you turn off the ignition, the cigarette lighter disconnects. That way you can connect your dash cam or whatever you want to the cigarette lighter without you have to unplug it all the time so it doesn't drain the battery. All you need is two pieces of wires like this with wire connectors, female and male wire connectors, and I'll show you how to do it in the back. This is how it's going to look like. I'm going to show you. See, the dash cam is right there. It's off right now and it's connected to the cigarette lighter right there. We're going to start the car and that comes off on. Can you start it, Brandon? See, we're going to start the car. Dash cam came on. Look, right there. The dash cam came on. The cigarette lighter is also on. It's working fine. As soon as we turn off the car, it's gonna go off. There you go. See, right there in the corner, the dash cam is off, and it's still connected to the cigarette lighter. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. Let's go through it step by step, okay? Thank you. Okay, come on. What? Now it's the fuse for the cigarette lighter is right here in the back. As you see, I have already connected the cigarette lighter. I found this slot right here to be connected to the battery, and the cigarette lighter is number 50. The cigarette lighter fuse is on number 52. This is what I have done. So essentially, I have connected the fuse to the cigarette lighter to two wires. These wires are a little bit hard, so I have redone that with the softer cable right here. So what you do, you connect one end of the cable to this one and the other one to this one right here, like this. And what I would do, I would tape it slightly so it doesn't move apart or disconnect. So you can take a piece of electrical tape, just tape them together so it doesn't, they don't move away from each other. So what we're gonna do is, this is a black and white wire. You can choose any color you want, it doesn't matter. We're gonna connect one of them to the top of the fuse is like this. We're gonna connect one of them to the top of the actual cigarette lighter fuse, and the other one we're gonna connect it to the bottom one of the fuse that turns with the switch. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna connect the black one to the top of the, yeah, can I show it? The top of the right here, between the two yellow one is the, now it's connected, and the bottom one on the one with the fuse slot that is activated with the switch, like that. Now it's connected. So you're gonna make something like this, and when it's done, you're gonna have the cigarette lighter work with a switch. To find which fuse you have that is gonna work on the switch only, you're gonna need a light meter and one of these picks, because it's hard to get into this end is too thick. So you're gonna connect these to the negative ports of the thing. So you go connect them and then check them one by one. I think my pick is a little bit too big. It doesn't go in like this. That means this is hot. So you don't want to use anything like that. You want to go with the with the fuses, that is, it comes on only with the switch. So I chose this one right here. See if I can. Okay, I chose that one and it's working fine. Let's go check it, see if it's still working. Don't start it yet. As you see, the cigarette lighter is still, the dash cam is connected to the cigarette lighter. It's off. Let's start the car, see if it comes on. It comes on. It works perfectly. That way you don't have to keep disconnecting the battery or the dash cam from the cigarette lighter. It's gonna work with a switch. Turn it off. There you go. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share. Thank you.